Tired of wasting food you just bought? Most families throw away hundreds of dollars every year, not because they want to, but because no one ever showed them how to store food the right way. At Fresh Keeper, we're here to change that. We teach you how to keep food fresh up to 3 times longer using our proven Triple S method. Step 1. Shop smart. Learn how to pick the freshest groceries that last longer right from the store. Step 2. Store fresh. Discover the best ways to organize your fridge, pantry, and freezer to reduce spoilage. Step 3. Stay safe. Use simple daily habits to make sure your food stays safe, clean, and delicious. No expensive gadgets. No fluff. Just science-backed tips that make a real difference. Whether you're feeding a family, prepping meals for the week, or just tired of tossing out good food, Fresh Keeper gives you the confidence and tools to make your groceries last. Get weekly videos with practical guides, expert hacks, and simple solutions that help you save money, reduce waste, and eat better. Starting now, click subscribe and start keeping your food fresher longer.